Hey guys, on this video we will try to learn about tuples in Python. Tuple contains ordered list of elements and it is unchangeable. It is also called as immutable list because it can't be changed in any ways once it has been created. To create a tuple in Python, place all the items inside a round brackets separated by commas. Please note that for list we used square parenthesis. Now for tuple it is round parenthesis. Python differentiates your type based on the parenthesis, so your parenthesis is very important. Now uh, in the video, if you will look, I'm creating a tuple with the variable name called tp and I'm inserting the elements into it. So if you will notice properly, I'm using round parenthesis. So initially I'm trying to create the tuple. So I have created the tuple and I'm printing it. Just save it with the py extension. And then just press F5. See, it is displaying it. Now we will try to access a particular item from my tuple. So to do that, just specify your index value. Index value will start from 0, that is your positional value. Okay, if you will notice in the screen, pink is the first position, which will be 0, green will be 1, orange will be 2. So as I have mentioned 2, it will print the third position value, that is orange. Okay, next, negative indexing. Negative indexing is nothing but from end point. So if you will notice, the black is the last one, right? So it will be -1, orange will be -2, like that, and so on. So as I have mentioned, -1, the last item will be displayed, so it is black. Okay, now last one that on this tutorial is range of index. So if I will give particular ranges based on the index value, it will be printed. So I'm giving 0 to 2. Okay, so it will paste the 0th element and first element, as the range was still 2. It will not take the last value, that is second position. So this is all about tuples. Thanks for watching and to subscribe my channel.